Moving can be an overwhelming process. Finding the perfect school is just one of many issues that families have to consider. To lighten this burden,
We utilize tools like school data sets given by different government agencies and Python Flask to show this on our website.
so what's the problem? Every year, millions of parents have to choose the right school for their kids, which is one of the most important decisions they'll make. But the process is frustrating. Often, information is scattered across different websites, it's hard to compare, and often is not easy to understand. This becomes especially hard for families who have to move and are not familiar with the given area. Why this matters. Choosing a school directly impacts the child's future. Parents need clear and reliable information for this life changing decision. Right now, the data exists, but it is scattered. That introduces perfect fit.
This is fairly simple. The UI is designed to be very easy for parents to pick up and easily digest all the information for whatever we intend it for. They can go on the website, search for whatever they desire, and filter it on the panel. It's same like as many sites you would find for locations. And there would be big blue buttons to apply them, and it would show only those filtered options. Middle, there's a simple map with clear pins to show them, and when a pin is selected, it'll also consolidate information for that entire school.
All right, hey guys, I'm Owen. I'm here to take you through our live demo now. So here's our site, Perfect Fit. So first, when you log in, hop on the home page. It's going to give you a nice little layout here. So mainly what you're going to want to do is go straight into your searching process. So let's say initially that we're looking for, let's say, a school with the zip code 12180. So right here, we can search by schools, and we'll see that the one school in that zip code area is Troy High School. So we'll be able to click on it, and we get some statistics here on the right side of the screen, talking a little bit about the school. And there's also a feature here that we have where we can favorite or unfavorite a school to add on our list. And alternately, let's say we went to a school, Whitesville, on the New York, Pennsylvania border. We can type it in, the name of the school, the city of the school, or the zip code. And ultimately, that is going to allow us to get the same features that we would when plugging in the zip code. You see the same type of statistics here, as well as a feature to remove our favorites or add to our favorites. Whoops. And then once on the favorites page, you can compare and contrast your different types of schools that you've selected, and as well as possibly move them for ordering purposes if you needed to later on. I'll bring us back to the slideshow. All right.
Now, Perfect Fit's target audience is parents who are moving or either they're looking to buy a house. And now for these individuals, proximity to a good school is going to be a very important factor in that decision. Naturally, you'd think that Perfect Fit would be in competition with services like Great Schools, which you can find through like Zillow. That's actually not the case because Perfect Fit provides a more holistic view of these schools, and that's sort of actually lacking in the current solutions that are on the market. Um, Now, these things that make good schools, they're not just test scores. It's also like extracurriculars, like music and arts, athletics, and then other STEM programs that you can have access to. So naturally, what's going to happen is that Perfect Fit is going to enable parents to have access to a greater depth of information about these schools when deciding where to start their child's future. Um, Here's how we're going to expand our product in the future. First of all, we would like to include schools from different states instead of just New York. We are planning a feature that school districts can use to, across like various metrics, compare themselves to other school districts around them. Additionally, we are thinking about maybe like a premium features or like an AI helper to help counselors or parents like advise their students.
So we used a data set to first take IDs from different schools around the New York State area and then connected it to school sets that had resources on it. That's mainly how we use the open data.